Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix login not available right now error in WhatsApp. All right, let's begin. First, open your phone settings and scroll down to find the apps section. Tap on it. Then scroll through the list of installed apps and select WhatsApp. Once you open WhatsApp settings, click on Uninstall. If you want to keep your chat data, make sure to check the box that saves your data before confirming. After uninstalling, open the Play Store and search for WhatsApp. Download and install it again. Once the installation is complete, open WhatsApp and start the login process. Enter your phone number and follow the on-screen instructions carefully to verify your account. This process usually resolves security-related login errors. So that's basically how you can fix login not available right now error in WhatsApp. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.